All right, so we've got these eyes that we need to finish. So I'm going to go back up to my layers and remember how it looked before. But we need to put in those eye whites, yeah? So I created this additional layer that's on the very top, and it glitched out the last time I was using it, so I had to log out of the whole um, ChromeCanvas program and upload it again. Um, but now we're back, and I've chosen my eye white. So it's not like a white white, it's kind of off white because that would be really interesting to have like super white eye whites. And it just wouldn't look right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm in this top layer, and it's going to look strange to draw over the top of the irises and everything, but I'll show you why I'm doing that here in a minute. So let's go back over here, and I'm going to hold down the mouse pad. So click and hold with my left finger while I draw with my right finger, and just kind of staying underneath the top eyelid and um, filling this in right here. There's that one, and unclicking it and then going to the other side and click and hold, and then just kind of fill this in right here. And again, I can use the eraser to clean this up here in a minute. So that looks super weird, huh? But I'm going to take my eraser and clean up this bottom part right here. And this bottom part right here. Just kind of shaping up my eyes a little bit. And then I'm going to go back to layers. And what I can do is I'm going to take this layer, since the irises are here, I'll show you. The eye whites, sorry, are in a different layer. You know, I can actually take this layer. I'm going to click down and hold it with one finger, and then take another finger and drag it underneath the eye outline that I have. And let's unclick this so that we can see. There we go. I've got eye whites now. And then I'm just going to go click off of this and this and this right here, so that I can start a new layer for my nose and my mouth. So here's a new layer, and I'm going to go over here and choose like a pretty dark value for my nose right there. Check the size of my pencil or my marker, not the eraser, my marker. And then kind of make that a lot smaller, because for the nose, I want to draw as little as possible. So here, clicking down, holding it, and then kind of, oh, that's pretty light, but we'll see. Let's undo that. Let's do a darker color. So nothing is set in stone, kids. You can always erase. Okay, so click and hold, and then just kind of draw that in there like that. And then use my eraser tool to kind of shape up the ends. And then I'm going to use a lip color. Let's do like more of a reddish brown, like that. And let's go with something like that. And then change the marker size. I'll go back to my marker. So you're always having to toggle between your tools. So let's see, here we go. Click, hold. Whoa, that's really bright. We're gonna undo that and then go for a darker value. I should have checked that. Yeah, that's a little better. Okay, so let's get those lips in. Click and hold, and then like, there we go. And then click and hold. this way, and we're gonna need teeth. I kind of like having teeth, so let's fill in this bottom lip, which is a little bit thicker. Okay, Miss T, that's a lot of lipstick. Okay, use my eraser to kind of clean that up, and I want a bigger eraser. There we go. Maybe even bigger than that. So, and then just kind of shape up my mouth a little bit right there. And then let's do another layer. Look at that, fancy. And I'm going to put some teeth in the same way that I did my eyes. So as you can see, there's that, but I want my teeth on a different layer. So I'm going to put that there, and I'm going to draw inside my mouth. Oh, here we go again. So it's glitching out. I'm going to get out and restart the whole application. So but before I do that, I'm going to take a look and see what all this looks like. So let's put that back and that back. Oh my gosh. Super fun, isn't it? There we go. So that's what my portrait looks like so far, with like flesh colored teeth. But in the very last one, I will show you how to put those teeth in, and do that.